We are on question 25, total are 27. Okay, let's do it. 1 gallon of stain will cover 170 square feet of a surface. Okay, let's write this information. So 1 gallon covers 170 square feet. A yard has a total fence area of W square feet, okay, which equation represents the total amount of stain S in gallons needed to stain the fence in this yard twice, okay. So if 1 gallon can cover 170 square feet, that means S gallons will cover S times 170 square feet. So that means this will be the total area covered, right? If 1 gallon is covering this much, there are S gallons. So S gallons are covering this much of area. So that is the total area. Now, according to question, the total fence area is W square feet. So that means S times 170 is actually W. But it needed to stain the fence in his yard twice. So that means 2 times of this area has to be covered, right? What we need? Equation in terms of S. So what should we do? Divide by 170 on both sides. 2W by 170 or W by 85. Okay, so D is the right option. Okay, let's move to next question. Question number 26th. Poll results: Angel Cruz 483 votes, Terry Smith 320 votes. The table shows the results of a poll. Okay, a total of 103 voters. Yes, the total is 103. Selected at random were asked which candidate they would vote for in the upcoming election. That means pre-poll work is going on. According to the poll, if 6424 people vote in the election, by how many votes would Angel Cruz be expected to win? Now, this is a question of ratios, but let's see. If total candidates are 103, right, which are selected, then Cruz is getting 483 and Smith is getting 320. That means Cruz is winning by 383 minus 320, which is 163. So if I apply the ratio concept here, that is win over total ratio, right? I am going to take this ratio. Now, if he wins by 163 and total is 803, then what will be this number if total is 6424? By how many votes Angel Cruz be expected to win? We have to calculate this. So multiply by 6424 on both sides over 803. That is the difference. Let's say it's X. And if you calculate it with calculator, okay, that is 1304. That means B is the right option.